Today I want to talk about Agrima Joshua. I'm sure you must be knowing about this, what is happening around. She basically posted a stand-up comedy video 3 years ago, which got viral now.
Shivaji statue. Yeah, I'm psyched about it. I wanted to go know about it, I wanted to read about it, so I went to the most authentic source of news on the internet. कोरा वहां पे किसी ने निबंध लिख रखा है. This Shivaji statue is amazing master stroke by a Prime Minister Modi ji. It will have solar cells which will power all of Maharashtra. दूसरा बंदा है, उसने सोचा ये क्रिएटिविटी कॉन्टेस्ट है, तो उसने सोचा यस, it will also have GPS trackers and it will shoot laser rays out of its eyes to kill Pakistani terrorists in the Arabian Sea. तीसरा बंदा आया, guys, please get your facts right. सबसे समझदार, please get your facts right. It's not Shivaji, it's Shivaji Maharaj. मैंने उसी को follow किया.
You can clearly see she have joked about the bizarre thing written about Shivaji Maharaj statue on Quora. And I don't understand where she disrespected Shivaji Maharaj. And then this guy, Shubham Mishra, aka Shubham Badass, or you can say Sasta Hindustani Bhau, he makes a video and he literally starts that video by saying that he respects women.
मैं लड़कियों की रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ.
Like seriously. And then he says how he will rape her when he meets her. I can't even say the exact word, nor I can show you the video because it's so disgusting. I want to know, what did he think that by giving a rape threat to a girl, he is making Shivaji Maharaj proud? Do you know what is sick? Is that people are supporting Shubham by saying that what he said was just a slang and he did not mean to do that. Then let me tell you, because of him, many people are going on Agrima's account and giving her rape threat.
In the case of a comedian who was being trolled and issued rape threats. The second person has been arrested from Mumbai's Nalasopara for threatening the comedian Agrima Joshua with rape. Now, during the interrogation, some shocking revelations have come about. He's told the police that he has not seen the comedian's video based on which he had issued that threat. He went on an abusive rant only because YouTubers that he followed had done the same.
Before this incident, I used to think Hindustani Bhau is a sensible person and he doesn't take side of wrong people. I'm not saying what Agrima did was right or wrong, but I know what Shubham did was very wrong. I don't think so even Shubham can justify his act. But Hindustani Bhau took Shubham's side by saying he has done so many good things. He has helped a girl from getting raped and he showed a video also of a girl thanking him.
शुभम मिश्रा ने क्या किया है मालूम? कुछ टाइम पहला ये मुंबई में एक लड़की के ऊपर गलत हो रहा था, गलत उसके साथ गलत हो रहा था. उसके साथ कोई रेप करने की धमकी दे रहा था, उसका मर्डर करने की धमकी दे रहा था. तब शुभम मिश्रा ने मेरे को कॉल किया, वो लड़की को मेरा नंबर दिया, समझा, और वो लड़की को इंसाफ दिलाया मैंने.
But this doesn't give him the right to give another girl rape threat. And you know what is funny? According to Hindustani Bhau, whatever Shubham said was not wrong. And people are making it a big issue and calling it a rape threat because he said it in Hindi.
अपना ज्यादा दिमाग चलाना चालू किया लोगों ने. शुभम मिश्रा ने ऐसा किया, शुभम मिश्रा ने वैसा किया. तुम लोग इंग्लिश में गाली देते हैं, वो चलता है, कूल है ना. इंग्लिश में गाली दिया कूल, हिंदी में गाली दिया तो वो गलत हो गया.
One more video got viral in which Saurabh Ghosh, another comedian, was seen getting slapped from someone. For what? Because he did a joke on Mumbai airport, जिसका नाम छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज है.
एक शहर में 2 एयरपोर्ट क्यों? ये क्या दिखावा कर रहे हो आप लोग? क्योंकि इसी यू आर द स्टेट महाराष्ट्र, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. तो एक बड़ा एयरपोर्ट बनाना, जिनका भी घर है आसपास उनके मुंह पे मार 5 करोड़ रुपए और बोल हट, वरना तेरे डाइनिंग टेबल से जाएगा प्लेन. वो हट जाएंगे. Where is operation when we really need it? दूसरी बात, दोनों एयरपोर्ट का नाम छत्रपति शिवाजी क्यों? एक का नाम अगर शिवाजी, दूसरे का नेपोलियन होता तो कोई अपना दोस्त का शादी मिस नहीं करता ना.
Let me tell you, अगर एयरपोर्ट का नाम राहुल गांधी भी होता तो भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because the joke was never on Shivaji Maharaj, it was on the airport. I'm not taking anyone's side, this is just my opinion, and I know it's wrong to make fun of anyone's sentiment, which can be religion, country or anything. The point is, giving rape threat or beating someone is not the solution. This person destroyed the whole club because he did not like Agrima Joshua's video. What was the fault of the owner of the place? He gave that place for stand-up comedy. He is not gonna verify the jokes. ऐसे तो ये लोग जो भी jokes पे हंसा उनको भी ढूंढ के मारने लगेंगे. Understand this. Jokes are subjective. अभी कुछ लोगों को कपिल शर्मा जैसी clean comedy पसंद है और कुछ लोगों को कुणाल कामरा की dark comedy पसंद है. ज़रूरी नहीं है सबको same चीज़ पसंद हो.